Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today it is New Year's Eve. Of course, when you're watching this, it's already 2024, so Happy New Year to everyone. I hope this year will going to be a superb one. I got some things planned. I haven't decided just yet where to go this year, but it will be a great adventure. Anyway, since it's New Year's Eve, there's certainly not motorcycle weather today, so I am going to do some tweaks during the next couple of months, and I thought that you should come along and see how it goes. So first of all, today I am going to put on a Beak extension for my motorcycle. So today it is looking like this, and we're going to attach this one to the beak. So it looks a bit more like a GSA, I suppose. Anyway, let's start doing it and see how it goes. Okay, we've got the beak and we got the screws, and I already included the bits needed. I think it's H4. So these are the little screws and two clips which are going to be attached on each side, and this one is just going in there. Now I should have had some Loctite. I did not have it because I ran out, so I just need to attach this one again with Loctite, but I'm gonna fit it now and see how it works. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it here, but it is going up here into this little squared hole. We're going to insert the clip, and here is the hole for the screw, and yeah, we're going to attach the small clips somewhere around here. And then it all should be fine. Should be an easy operation, I think. Okay, let's do this. Oh, fuck. Broke. I broke that one. God damn it. I think we can fix it in some other way. So one of these clips broke, so I can't use it actually, but I think we are going to make something of our own. I think it's possible with some. Should be right down. Yeah, okay. So anyway, this is what it's going to look like when it's done. Obviously these ones are going to sit a bit tighter. I'm not sure what I think of it. Looks a bit stupid. Yeah, well, I'm going to try to find something that I can use instead of these small clips. Look like this now. No way I can use this. So maybe I can find something else, or even some 3M tape or something on the back. This I can go with, obviously. Well, at least I tried. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a little bit of a disaster. But if you like it, please leave a comment or put a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I see you on to the next.